Buenas tardes, amigos, amigas, in Bisaya, maayong hapon kaninyo nga tanan. In Tagalog, good. Tagalog, magandang hapon sa lahat. In English, good afternoon, everyone. Ito pala yung I'm in the middle of the road here in New York. First up, makikita natin dito Trump Tower, and then the UN, and that is the 50 United Nations Plaza. Lived there for 8 months, and this is the flowers.